Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. So Christmas is just around the corner, and in today's video, I share with you my one-pot beef and shrimp fried rice. It is so flavorful and delicious. Let's get right into it. I have my all-natural mixed spice, salt, and then I'll add in some dark soy sauce. We'll give it a very good mix, and then I'll set it on the side. I'll also marinate my beef with all natural mixed spice, salt, and then I'll give it a good mix. Please make sure to have all ingredients ready before you begin. I'll start with an oil in my pot. I'll allow it to heat up and then I'll begin to fry my shrimps. I'll be frying each side for about 5 minutes. You can use chicken or any type of protein for this fried rice. You don't certainly have to use the same protein I'm using. I'll turn the shrimp over to cook the other side. And after that, I'll give it a good toss in the pan and then I'll remove it and set it on the side. To my pot again, I'll add in about a quarter cup of oil and then I'll begin to cook my beef until it is tender. And please make sure to check your beef from time to time and then turn it over to cook the other side as well, just as how I'm doing it in the video. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe and be part of this family. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. My beef looks tender and very well cooked. I'll now add in my garlic ginger paste and my chili peppers. I'll stir it and then allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll add in my chopped onion. Fry everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Please follow the process. This fried rice turned out so delicious. I'll now add in my curry powder, my all natural spice mix, shrimp and beef seasoning, and then I'll give it a good mix. I'll add in about 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and a quarter cup of oyster sauce. And then we mix and mix and mix until everything is very well combined. And at this point, I'll add in about 6 cups of Jasmine rice and then I'll give it a good mix. You can make this fried rice in under 40 minutes. It is so quick and easy and super flavorful as well. After the rice and everything is very well mixed, I'll add in some hot water, half a tablespoon of salt, and then I'll give it a good stir. Please add your water according to the amount of rice you're using or the type of rice you're using. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the rice absorbs all the water. After 7 to 10 minutes, I'll then come in with my green beans and carrots. You can use any vegetables of choice and then I'll give it a good mix. I'll create a well or poke holes into my rice. I'll cover it with aluminum foil and then allow it to cook until the rice is tender. And that should take about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'll check my rice and then I'll add in my shrimps and bell peppers. You can use any color bell pepper for this recipe. And then I'll give it a good mix. The rice is looking good already, guys. And I'm using a non-stick pan for this, okay? So please use any pan of choice or any pot of choice. I covered it for another 5 to 7 minutes for the shrimps to heat through, and then I added in my scallion. And you know when scallion comes in, that means the rice is done. It serves as a garnish, and we are ready to serve this, guys. This is it. It is done and ready to be served. You can serve this at your holiday party or you can serve this to your family for dinner. We enjoy this with macaroni and cheese and salad alongside SHITO. Yes, there's no Ghana fried rice without SHITO, guys. And dinner was so delicious. I will leave a link to my macaroni and cheese recipe in my description. Please kindly check it out. It is so delicious. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.